Hey, I'm Jim Weber, the Fox 13 Weather Center. Thanks for logging on to MyFoxHurricane.com. Well, we continue to watch the tropics, and really not a whole lot going on right now, which is good news. You look at that big wide view of the tropics, and one area that we are watching, and this is actually a non-tropical low, which is formed along an old frontal boundary out in the Atlantic. If this can hold together for a few days, maybe drift a little bit further to the south, then it's got a small chance of doing something. But you can see at this point, putting only about a 10% chance of actually seeing anything happen with this. Here's a closer view, and you can see it does have some convection with it, but really not a whole lot to speak of. It's to the north and east of Bermuda, and even on the motion that it's moving right now, it's just heading out over open water, so it's not going to really bother anybody. GFS model kind of holds on to it for a day or so, and then just kind of dissipates or washes it out, so GFS really not thinking much of this as well. Now, throughout the month of July, the areas that we watch, it's the Gulf of Mexico, the Western Atlantic, and really throughout the Caribbean. Remember, else it formed a little bit further to the east of where we would typically be watching this time of the year for development. But as you look through the areas that we typically would see development this time of the year, you notice through the Caribbean, you're seeing really pretty clear skies, but you're also noticing a large area of stronger wind shear, where you see that green and the yellow shade. That is higher wind shear. Tropical systems don't like the higher wind shear. So at least for the next, say, 5 days, just not expecting to see anything happen in the tropics, and we'll keep you updated right here on MyFoxHurricane.com.